Well, let's see what gold does here. Everything's bearish except now we have this massive bounce. Massive bounce. It's got to break this trend line. I'd like to see it roll under these moving averages and start to give us that trending down feel, because what we're doing today is scalping. See it roll under these moving averages and start to give us that. We're just going to scalp. Scalping in the direction that we think the market is going. That gigantic red candle on the day chart says it all. We got some strong pintails on the 4-hour chart though. So it could just, from this point forward, if this is the higher low, then we're going to see a reversal. But until it gets, at least on the 5-minute chart, like it did here, it crossed over, started heading up. Right as it came up here, it failed. So here it's crossing over with a higher low. So I'm looking for it to break this trend line and continue to the downside. But we do have, we could go long too. So that's the thing. If the 5-minute and the 5,000 are all going in the same direction, that's the short-term direction. Short term, we can go, there's a 50% correction, 50% correction. See, I don't know if it's going to keep going up, but and the hour chart is real consolidated right here. Very tricky. The momentum lines are pointing down and it's coming up into it, and it's too conflicting. Anything can happen here. Anything can happen. Well, it broke the trend line. Unfortunately, the moving averages are headed up. You want to see it get trapped underneath. You want to see it get trapped underneath and hard. So if it pops down, you want to get trapped underneath. Because right now, the moving averages are bullish. So once they start rotating, and here's a little bit of a trap right here, except it's pinned in between multiple moving averages. So this would be it's trapped, yeah. It's trapped in between the moving averages. It's trapped. So that's not good. You want it on clear on one side or the other. So we have another trend line here going this way. Now it's hitting resistance on this trend line that it broke, which is good. You want to see that if it's going to go down. You want to see it get trapped. But conflicting information is that it's bouncing off the momentum lines right here on the 5-minute. So that could easily be going in that direction. So with conflicting information, we got to sit on our hands if we're trying to go with a trend trading. Scalping with the trend. We have to identify the trend and wait for clarification on that, unless we're just going to trade structure levels, which is just support and resistance. We could short off the trend line, long off the moving averages. This could be a little short right here with the stop loss right above that. We see what happens if we did that. We would enter right here. It's a B plus setup. It's not an A plus because it's, like I said, it's pinned and trapped in between forces, trading forces, moving averages, trend lines. But hitting two trend lines like that, if we were quick, you could have scalped it immediately. As soon as it started turning red, you would have got 1-to-1. That would put us right at the 1-to-1 target. Entry would be higher. As soon as it hit the trend line and started going back down under the trend line. Too choppy. There are some opportunities with some really quick scalping, though, which I get sucked into a lot while I'm waiting for better trade setups. So I can overtrade, and usually that just means I'm breaking even, mostly. Training my mind to watch price action to see how it reacts at certain key levels and intersections. Alrighty. No. No, it's trapped. It is about as trapped and pinned as you can get, man. In between 3 trend lines and 5 moving averages, it's just, that's why it's going like it's going. People using the different elements are all fighting one another, trying to get the price to go in a direction. Here goes that short opportunity. If it didn't look so bullish on the 5-minute chart right here, like it wants to just, it's over everything except for that 100 moving average. And all the moving averages are ticking upward. So, all right, here's where it would pop up if it's going to pop up. This is the area. And if it's going to go back down, it's at the top of that range. It's at the top of that range. You have a small little loss right here.
Order filled.
Let's see if it'll go down. There it goes.
Stop filled.
Ah, broke even. Too many conflicting data points for me. I don't have clarity. I don't have agreement. I don't have harmony. Oh, okay. Everything's above the momentum lines except for the hour chart. So if we get a close above the momentum lines, then we can see the 15s rotating up 5 and so on and so forth. Everything will be rotating upward. Then we will focus on going long. We have the 2000 tick just about to give me all I need to go long, because everything will be ticking upward. 100, even the 100 moving average. Now the 200's flat. Are still even going down a little bit. So it's not quite ready. The 1000 is good to go. So our exponential time charts are saying go long. 1000 and the 100 have converted over to the long side. So it's time to try to short then. Or sorry, go long here. If we're going to take a scalp, let's see what our risk is. $73 on this trade. Let it come down a little further. 50% would be nice.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, let's see if that'll do it. We reduced our risk pretty good.
Stop filled.
And I got stopped out, but only half risk. Only for half risk. I was looking for it to come down and bounce and go back up. Okay, so yeah. Let's see if it's going to break. Half risk. That was that was good. Wait for it to come down. So that really was. I'm watching the 1000. See, it looked like it wanted to break, start going up right here. So it's just back down into the unknown, which is giving us a chance to go long here. I missed it. It's too late now. I should have caught that long right there. Very small risk. Yep, I missed that trade. Now, are we getting ready to go short? Let's see if the 1000 tick chart will break below that 200 and pull all the moving averages down with it and get trapped underneath like this is trapped.
Order filled.
Keep going. Go, 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 go.
Target filled.
Closed. Got it. That's what I'm talking about. Got a 1-to-1 on that. Good. Good, 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 good. That was just going with the... It's still strong to the downside. But
Order
keep
filled.
going. Keep going. Come on down. Give me a 1-to-1.
Order filled.
I'll take it again. That's fine. Almost 1-to-1. Yeah, got out early though.
Order filled.
I'm going to let it use the 20 as a stop. Good.
Target filled.
Got it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That was my best trade of the morning. I'm just taking my chances with momentum once and using that 20 as my stop loss. That's what that trade was. Seeing that it finally broke the trend line on the 5. And everything on the exponential chart that I use is down now. It hasn't been tested and gotten trapped, but it's a strong move. We still may. See, now that was fortunate. A lot of times you'll get in down here and then you'll get stopped out. Instead of catching one of these early, I'm trying to catch these a little early. Is this another chance right here? This could be another chance to go short. Ooh, it would have been stopped out on that, so let's be careful now. I was watching the pintail on these momentum lines on the 1,000-tick chart, but it may just want to chop up higher and then come back down, or maybe it'll go back up and test this box right up here where it broke down. Maybe it's going back up there to test.
Order filled.
I'm going to try it here. Keep going. Keep going. I'm on break even. Keep going.
Target filled.
Got it again. Yes. Hold for that 1-to-1. Feel that flow. Feel that momentum. Constantly watching price action helps your mind kind of muscle memory. You've seen this activity before. You've seen the way price is moving like this before. It should, based on what I'm seeing, because I've seen it 1,000 times, because you watch it long and hard. You put many hours into studying how price moves. And that can only come with time. You cannot just get that overnight. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. I'm liking that. I'm liking that. Liking that a lot. Still opportunity in this thing. Here's another chance. Oh boy. Is it over though? This is a good chance. I'm just gonna watch it. Come on. It didn't break, it didn't close under the 20. It reversed and bounced off the 20, but I don't have agreement on the exponential chart. I don't have agreement on the higher time chart. So if it breaks here, we'll go short. Come on, buddy. I out of coffee already? Oh shoot, it broke. All right, let's see what happens here. It's a $63 trade if I short now. Oh, that went up pretty high, man. Is it getting choppy?
Order filled.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Hit target, hit target, hit target, hit target.
Order filled.
Yes, yes, yes. I've seen that 1,000 times, man. Where you get this little green bar right here, and it gets ignored. Once it gets trapped right here, like once it falls under the moving averages, like right here. Let's look at this on video. Once price falls under all the moving averages, like there and there, and you get a green candle, see how it went up instead of going down? So that's what I saw. I saw the green candle, and then I saw the red, and I got in as soon as it broke that. Look for that price action on your charts. It is amazing how that works. It's got to be underneath. Let's look at it again over here on some of these charts. Here we got the green candles for me, but nothing closed underneath it. And as soon as it did close underneath it, it went down. Let me see something. Here we got green candles. If the stop was there, it would have worked, even though it came up. Here we got green candles, but the red did not continue down. The red did not continue down. So I saw that. I'm like, I bet you that's gonna, if that breaks, I'm jumping on it. I'm jumping on it. Let's see if it happens again right here. I went too quick. If that candle right there turned green, and I wouldn't say, you know, that's a bad idea to scalp right there anyway. Stop right there. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. Let me, wow, 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 wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, I think that's all I'm live streaming. That's good for me. I am up. Thank you. Thank you. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I'm waiting on Apex to, I passed a couple accounts. I'm waiting for to add my new PA accounts. So we'll just wait for that and chill out for the rest of the day. I'm happy with what happened. So I'll see you next time. Take care, everybody.